Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to play the finals via Steam launcher, and this is that message: fatal error, downloading failed. So how to get rid of this error message? So first of all, force close these finals and Steam launcher from your task manager. And after the few seconds, again try to open that Steam launcher. So here you can go to library and then right click on your finals and go to properties. So here you can select installed files. So now I try to browse this installation path and simply delete this CC anti-cheat folder and again go back to that Steam launcher. So now I try to verify these game files, and this process may take up to more time, so be patient. So next you can open your Windows Run and execute this command %local update of %. So here you can delete this discovery folder and close all the windows, and also don't forget to restart your Windows platform. So after the restarting is completed, and again try to launch that Steam launcher, and then I try to open that finals game. So I hope this method will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Box, and thanks for watching.